So when you come in the library, or in the Huber Hall, you're going to be able to continue to go to the library, and actually, ultimately, we're going to be able to connect into the building over here. So if you take a look and you see that blue tape area with the plywood, those are going to be the doors that you're going to be able to go in the addition. And you'll also be able to go back down this hallway. So this is just a temporary wall that closes everything. So this is going to be the advisement suite. So right now they're in the basement of the main building, and they've got a couple different offices, one part of the hallway. So when you come in, this is going to be a receiving area for advisement, and all the advisors will be in here. So they're kind of a self-contained suite, which is a nicer model to use in terms of serving students. So there'll be some waiting room chairs and their admin, so in terms of layout, windows, but the hallway, this will just be an open hallway going down. The folks who are going to be in this building are advisement, career counseling. So career is on the second floor of the campus center, and then the academic support center, and that's on the third floor of the main building. So we got a few different people we're bringing together. This space that's up on the third floor is going to be here. We're going to have glass windows that you'll be able to look through, but there'll be computer stations, there's a writing center and a math center, so some people to help out with those skills. Just an open seating, casual couches, chairs, just a hangout kind of place. It's the other part of the academic support center. So the counselors and those who assist with learning, we've got offices on the side, common work area with a couple of tables, and then a suite. It'll be a self-contained career area. So they'll have a little resource center, offices, a reception, but it'll all kind of be in one zone. Right now when you go up there, you go into the one room, and then you got to go into the other room, and it's kind of convoluted a little bit, so this will be kind of one suite. So we're trying to figure out right here. So this will be the elevator that you'll be actually able to get off on this floor. The addition is a little bit taller than the existing building because the building's kind of old, so we made it a little bit taller. So there's a stop A, and there's a stop B. So the second floor really has two different levels now in the building. So kind of a lower for the existing, and then the upper is higher level. So kind of a layout. We're going to have a kind of a higher counter area that comes out that will have 8 computer stations on it, and then we'll have a low counter area against that wall. But in each corner, in the corner you're in and the corner that is over here, we're going to have like a 55-inch monitor and then an interactive whiteboard. So kind of 5 people can sit around and actually plug in a laptop. This is we're putting a table here so you can plug in a laptop, and it's going to be piped right to here to these 2 devices. So yeah, so I'm writing notes. Click, let me save my notes. Boom, it'll save it to your laptop, whatever laptop is plugged in. Or you want to do a presentation, boom, it'll play it on the monitor, so it's like a TV. So we'll have 2 of those, one in each corner. Now call our IT department. We'll go get the system, we'll hook it up in here, and then a faculty member can test it out, whether it's a projection thing, a smart board, a different kind of software. So this will be kind of a multi-functional room. It'll have a lot of data and power around, so it's meant to try out things rather than just drop it into a classroom. Get it here, use it. Do we like it? Yes? Okay, we'll buy it. No, we're going to send it back and get something else. So this is just a meeting, a meeting study room. Yeah, what's your power? Kind of a large meeting study room, so it's going to have a conference table, probably 14, 16 chairs, projection smart board, but it's going to be open all day long. 60, 65, 70, depending on what the configuration is. We want it to be flexible, so it may not be tables, rows of tables with seating. It might be pods. It might be something else. We're still trying to figure that out, but it's a big room, so we're working with our technology. We have a smart board here, and then most likely we're going to have additional projection on each side. So kind of what you're writing will be projected here and on the other side. So you don't have to worry about squinting in the back because it'll be blown up for everybody to see. So it's a little bit different. It's a little longer and narrower. So the challenge is to make sure everybody who's in here can see and hear. And so we're working with our technology group and our faculty. But the same thing. So bigger room, different seating configurations potentially, and then making sure that the visuals support what we're doing in the classroom. Great concrete. We're actually going to paint the surface. It's a concrete panel that they cast all in one unit. So
just the entire wall.
Yeah, 8 inches of solid concrete. Then we have insulation, and then you have about a 2-inch concrete. So the whole thing is about 12 inches, maybe a little bit more, but it's got insulation value like an R27. So there's more than the minimum that you need. So it's a kind of a multi-function panel. It's our structure and it's our exterior wall. So you paint this. There's a texture paint that we're going to do that's going to look really nice. And kind of a couple different tones on it, so there'll be some color to it as well. So, but it'll kind of blend into the existing building. So it won't be red or blue or green. It'll be neutral colors that blend with Hue. We're going to start to be installed later this week. We're going to do windows all of Huber, so all those old windows in the classrooms, all those are coming out, all new windows in the whole building. So we're really upgrading the building as well, not just the addition. So
Where's all the...
And that stairway is actually, you can, it's a stairway that goes up and down, and then from there you can go out to the back parking lot.
It's convenient.
So, yeah, when you get in the inside, you can really see what's going on.